Breastfeeding is a natural and age-old practice. But as a pediatrician, what I have observed these days is that the rate of breastfeeding is coming down. At least half of the mothers complain that they are not getting enough breast milk for their babies. Mothers nowadays are confused by large number of suggestions and options available in the market. They are not able to concentrate on the art of breastfeeding. There may be many alternate feeding options which are available in the market nowadays. But I must tell you that none of the options are better than breast milk for a baby. So, in this episode, I will tell you simple and effective tips to increase milk production and successfully breastfeed your baby. Hi, I am Dr. Sumati. I am a pediatrician and I am working in this field since 8 years. So, let's get started. For successful breastfeeding, the most important prerequisite is self-confidence of the mother. Mother should be free from anxiety and should be motivated to feed her baby at any cost. This is the first and main thing which aids in good initiation and maintenance of breastfeeding. And the second thing is proper nutrition. Mother should take proper food. Good nutrition is crucial to improve quantity and quality of milk. Mother should take 400 to 500 kilocalories and 25 grams of protein extra during feeding to have a good milk production. She should take plenty of fluids and have adequate rest. Good quality of sleep is essential to promote hormones which increase milk production. Try to include all varieties of food so that you can get carbohydrates, proteins and fats in the right amounts. There is no need to follow any food taboos. And there are some miraculous home-based foods which can increase milk production like ginger, garlic, coconut, jaggery, bajra, fenugreek, sunt, pepper, margosa. These are available locally and helps to increase milk production. And the next step is about the practice of breastfeeding. The earlier you start breastfeeding your baby, the more will be the production of milk. Correct positioning of the baby and good sucking efforts on the part of the baby are very crucial, and I can say the most important thing to increase the production of milk. Don't offer anything to the baby before giving breast milk. Remember, a hungry baby sucks well. So, in the early days of after birth, milk production can be low and you may be tempted to give outside milk formulas and other forms of milk. But never do that. Whatever amount of milk that is produced in the early days is sufficient for the baby to meet her demands. And feeding should always be done on demand, that is, whenever the baby cries for the feed. It may amount to second to third hourly in the early weeks. This practice of feeding on demand also aids in good milk flow. And the last and most important thing which increases milk production is avoiding bottle feed. As I have told already, good sucking efforts on the part of the baby are essential for increasing milk production in the mother. And bottle feeding causes nipple confusion, as sucking at the bottle is easy than sucking at the breast. So it makes your baby lazy and she won't suck properly. This may lead to reduction in milk flow. And the last one is regular nighttime feeds. During the first 3 months stimulates hormones called prolactin which increases milk production. So feed at least twice during night for the first 3 months. And at last, I want to tell you that breastfeeding is a natural and effortless procedure. Avoiding unnecessary things and concentrating on regular breastfeeding will definitely increase the milk production. If you have any doubts, comment below. Subscribe so that you won't miss my new videos. Thank you very much.